guys, today is another vid. Enjoy. You may be thinking, why are you doing it at 10:58 in the morning? Well, because I got bored. And so today we will be playing a game by my bucket. Wow, look, an oblong. Hi, I'm my bucket. But you may know me from my old account, my bucket. On the 7th, 17, 2010. And what was this one? This was on the tooth cut down. This was on the 2nd of the 29th, 2016, which is 2016. You got friend Flintstone. Follow me to send me message and trays. This is the friend name box. I don't accept friend requests. I'm known for Dab bucket, my spookit, my bucket. That's just weird. So what about further ado, let's get to the Bodhi eats his cereal. Sorry, that's a bad whistle. Anyway, if you're wondering what's that sound, it is my golden watch. It's broke, sadly. In memory of PT 2010. Hello, Bodhi. What you doing?
It's me, your pal Baldy. I'm just here eating some cereal and thinking about math. The cereal tastes real good. Hey kids, what's 2 plus 2?
4?
That's right, it's 4. My favorite thing about math is the numbers. Ha 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 ha.
Baldy, your feet, they don't touch the ground.
Here's a trickier math problem. What is 8 minus 3?
5.
That's right, it's 5. You're pretty good at this.
Thank you, Baldy. You're pretty good at math too.
I am just enjoying this delicious cuisine on this fine morning. What day of the week is it for you?
Sunday?
That is a good day of the week.
No, it's not. I gotta go to school tomorrow. Baldy, you gonna talk? Give me another math question. I'm freaking out. Give me one.
Hey kids, here is another math problem. What is 4 times 13?
52.
That's right, it's 52.
Thank you. Give me another math question. You got nothing in your bowl. You got just milk splashes.
I couldn't decide what cereal to have this morning, so I just put it all into a bowl.
Yes, very funny, Baldy. You're creepy. You just continue eating, okay? I don't want to have a problem with you.
This cereal tastes pretty good, but not as good as math, if you ask me.
Not as good as math. Maths is the best. Even though I don't like maths, that just doesn't make sense. But I'm bad at maths. Hi. Hi. Hi there, Green. You were kicked from this game? Baldy finished his cereal? Please leave. Baldy finished his cereal. Funny educational game for children. Baldy, the bold teacher, teaches math and eats his cereal movie. Why? 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 Does it have to be all a rap house? So your brew. Ah, that's the better whistle. Oh, look, there's a nerd. It isn't even a thing. No one talks. Love my hands off. You're cool, Cody. Oct. It is not October. Oh, guys, by the way, guys. In October, I am going to Launceston. That's right, Launceston, which is in Tasmania. Yes. I got these high bars, they sending you to Mars. Oh, classic cars. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Guys, I'm on my desk.
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will be...
Yeah, Billy Bob. You're a noob. No bullying. No bullying. No.
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will be...
No bullying. No bullying. Pick a great rapper. Your raps are like raps. I wanna eat your raps so bad. But you always stuck inside like a sad candy wrapper. I don't know. I can't totally rap, bruh.
there's no trouble.
You can see in the bushes, light like fire. You got no bushes and no gardens. Water, water, water.
Oh man, homie, that ain't no coming back from that.
Ah! Okay, yes, you sucks. Pushed him. That wasn't a rat. Expose him. I'm gonna win for the bacon squad. This isn't a rat, so I'm a you died. See you at Macca's. Chopping down at burgers. Chopping down at burgers. The big chopper goes with the little chopper. Kids.
Yo, show some love for your favorite rapper.
Oh wow, okay, I don't get it. Doesn't have to make sense, people. Just get it. Raps don't gonna make sense. If he beats me, I don't care. Regret.
Yo, hold on.
Regret anything? Regret anything? I just realized. Use hats. I don't want to wear anything.
Yo, homie, I know you can do better than that, dog.
Alright, people. Gonna have to end the video. Gonna have to end the video. Sub and like. And push that notification button with your face. Yeah. Stop being annoying.
Oh,
Goodbye.
man, homie, that ain't no